Yeah, welcome back, guys. Down by the beach. People in the beach water already. Morning, bro. Morning. Man, all these coconuts. Look. Well, this one stood pretty good. Got some coconut on it. Wow, man. They did a pretty amazing job recovering from this place. And I wouldn't be doing you guys no justice if I didn't walk all the way up here and show you guys the beach itself. Yeah. This is the beach. It's an okay beach. I guess it's good enough for some people. It's not the best beach in Montego Bay, but it's okay. Yeah, man, gets the job done. So you can see they did a pretty amazing job. I tell you, I don't know if it's high tide right now though, but the water is pretty high. Man, I could imagine the amount of money they had to spend quick and fast to get this place operating again. You know what I mean? So this is a nice white powdered sand. I know this is not natural, but they probably imported the sand from somewhere and dumped it over here. So these are the hustlers these are the hustlers on the beach trying to make $1. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is nice though. Nice, beautiful beach. People trying to sell weed. You know what I mean? He's asking me, do I need weed? Anyway, the beach goes all the way up there to Sandals property. Yeah, it's nice, man. I've always liked this Rio though, you know. If you wanna just come get loose, you know. One thing for sure though, they feed you. It is so, look, people is in the beach water already. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine like other parts of the world, America, Florida, you can't even go in the water. You'll freeze your butt off. You know what I mean? Right now it's on the cooler side until about another hour or so, then you start feeling humidity. Alright guys, let's keep it moving. Nice white sand. Sand is pretty cool. But a lot of the times you come to this property, you'll see some coconuts on the coconut tree. It's beautiful. Everybody's starting their morning. With me right now, I'm kind of hungry. I ain't gonna lie, man. You know what I mean? Well, go on, Rasta, man. What up, Ross? You trying to make $1 out of 50 cents, man? You're trying to make $1 out of 50 cents? Early morning hustling, bro. It's all good, man. Can't knock the hustle, baby.
Nah, I'm alright, I don't smoke. Thank you.
People come on the beach early to secure their spots. Just like anywhere else. Come on the beach early, secure your spot. You know, then probably go eat breakfast, because I tell you, in another hour or so, this beach is gonna be packed, man. All right, we're gonna keep trucking, see what's happening on the other side. Check in, check in, check in. This is the somebody's calling me. Yo, MJ. Yeah, hold on. Check in, my people, check in. This is another beautiful view from the Riu Montego Bay. Really nice property, man. It was, I think I preferred this design than the old one. You know what I mean? I think in Montego Bay, this is their showcase reel. Out of the 3 properties they have here. I remember one time, I think this is where the clinic is. I'm here. Culinarium. So this is the name of it, Culinarium. And go upstairs. I remember when it was COVID time, I had to go upstairs and get a COVID test 24 hours before the flight to make sure I was good. It's amazing, guys. So many people got COVID. I never had it. You know, maybe I was just taking all the precautions, you know what I mean? Or maybe I got it and don't even know. But everybody around me gets sick. So in the summertime, what I'll do, I'll take ginger, garlic, ginger, a lot of ginger, garlic, and I'll grind it up or blend it up, and turmeric, and put it in a like a gallon of water, and I'll drink a glass of that every day, man. It's amazing for your immune system. So maybe that's why I barely get sick. I barely get cold. You know, not that I don't get it, because everybody gets it, you know. So I think I have a pretty good immune system. So anyway, I'm on the outside of the Riu Montego Bay. This is the outskirts. That's the main entrance. I think this is the bus that bring me here last night. So these are the shuttle bus that takes you from the airport to the Riu property. So right next door, this is the palace. So that's all it is, man. It's just right next door. Look at the bird. I love raising birds, man. Look at them. He's looking for straws and bedding materials. Isn't it too early in the season though to be looking for it? I guess they have babies a couple of times a year. I don't know. Those type of birds, they like to live in the coconut trees, like in the palm tree, like those. That's where they like to make their homes and have their babies, man. It's hard to get to. So here, guys, this is the property. Stay tuned.